back, everybody. Would appear we're going on vacation. Can't tell them where yet. We're at the Detroit airport. Let you know in a minute. So we have made our way to the airport. Gonna get some lunch, dinner, whatever before we go. I'm sure I had to go get a bank loan to pay for that, or maybe Jenny will pay for that. You buying lunch? I'll pay for it. Yes, we are in Los Angeles, California for vacation, trying to find our shuttle to go get our car. What a massive city. We're on our way down to the Hollywood Walk of Fame, and Ella come across this crumble cookie. So we're currently sitting in the front car carving up some cookies. I'm thinking this just might be lunch, but in a minute we're going to head down to the Walk of Fame and find a place to park and see what's happening there.
Getty Center. Oh, there's a bunch of palm trees now. Look how tall and skinny they are, though. They certainly don't look like they do in the movies.
How long is this song?
I don't know. That's a different place for your fence. Trying to get off at 63 feet.
Those mountains are huge.
I know it.
Okay, well, that's something I'd want to climb.
It what?
That's something I'd want to climb.
Yeah, well, be one like that has the Hollywood sign on it, but...
Actually? Oh.
Great white hut.
House of Anglo.
It's a little, Oh, look at up in the mountains here, straight in front. Look at all the houses and stuff.
Oh my god, how would you even get up there? Paying a fortune.
Probably not.
Hollywood and Vine. Well, we have made our way down to the Hollywood Boulevard. One thing I will say is not near as clean as I was expecting or hoping. Trying to figure out if I know some people. I don't really know many of them. Just seen Rock Hudson. But we're going to stroll on down here, see what's going on, and see if they can catch our attention.
Jerry Lewis.
Everybody knows Jerry Lewis. Who else we have here?
Oh, Frankie Valli and Four Seasons.
Otis Redding.
He one's out of Rudolph Valentino, huh?
Who's that?
Rudolph Valentino, is that not the...
He's an actor.
Huh?
Green Day.
Oh yeah. We're at a switch. She was from MASH, wasn't she?
Yep. Yep. All right, so we are at Hollywood and Argyle. We're gonna cross here.
Go.
Yeah, let's go up. A whole lot of people out here today. I was expecting more. just kept records. Look at Ella. There's nobody driving that car. That's a Waymo. Jackie Gleason.
Jackie Gleason.
I don't know like half these people.
Johnny Cash.
Yeah. Jane Mansfield. Ah, it's somebody asked the boy. Let's go, girls.
6925. I don't think we might not have even come this far. My mom did. Mary Russell. Alec Baldwin. Who are you trying to look for? Oh, Queen.
There you go. You never back. My phone's at 1%.
Cards
always.
and coffee.
Pardon? Howie
Coffee.
Mandel. Rodney Dangerfield.
Chris Farley. There you go. Hank Williams.
They're the three leading main characters in whatever like it's called. Only Murders in the Building.
Abbott and Costello.
Yep.
Irene Dunn and Robert Monk.
Ago that I came with my parents, my mom and my sister, and it wasn't anything even that.
No.
That might be just like gone, right?
Yeah.
Not to see it, but
What are we looking for?
No. Fuel.
Double cheese and waffle.
it's frozen. Well, recent.
Va a hacerle frutas, mango.
Motley Crue.
Brush.
Peter Reed. Yeah. Fred Astaire.
Maybe some guys.
It scared me.
Adam West. Where is it?
Quick little 500 to 700 real quick. In about an hour.
Oh, hang on. Ozzy Osbourne. Got it? See.
Labubus. Labubus.
Are they? Yeah, it's kind of a cruddy one, but
That's alright. Jay Leno.
Okay.
We can cross here, guys, if you want to.
Okay, can we?
Oh, I think it's right there, Jenny. It's right. Think so?
we're only 125 away. We might as well go
Yeah,
now.
we'll just hustle up there. Burt Reynolds. So I'm gonna say this is pretty much a circus down here. Buddy Hackett, all kinds of stars here. Some you know, most you don't. But we're about to cross over to the old Man's Chinese Theater, right next to the Hard Rock Cafe. A little noisy. There it is. Well, it's behind that bus. We'll go over there in just a second. Another Waymo. There's just so much to see down here. There's so much going on, you're missing half of it.
Yeah, this is it here.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Hoodies on sale today. You won't find deals like this anywhere else. Hats, t-shirts,
Godzilla.
You want this one?
Robin, oh yeah.
Robin Williams.
Got it.
Alan Jackson. All kinds of things to buy in here. Maybe we should rent one of these. No. We'll be caught dead in a Cybertruck. Well, found something they want back here. Hang on. So we just left Hollywood Boulevard, which, in all honesty, if you see one block of it, you really don't need to see the rest. It's cool to go once. I don't think you really need to go back, but that's just my opinion. We just left there. We're going to go to the Griffith Observatory. We made it almost to the top. None of us knew that the road was like it was, windy and hilly and up and down, and nevertheless, we had to cancel. Had to turn around and come back down. It's all good though. Nobody's fault. Anyway, we're looking at the next place to go, and I'll let you know where that is in a minute. Since we got some extra time, because we didn't get to. Actually, she's looking to try and find another place to see the Hollywood sign without having to climb a mountain.
Okay, well, we didn't know how high up it was.
Nevertheless, she told me to keep two hands on the wheel.
Mm-hmm. The whole time. like it. Why?
Creepy.
Yeah, and you wanted to walk up here?
It's less creepy if you're walking. Oh, there, it's up there. Look how far it is over
Oh
there.
my god.
I'm trying to watch where I'm going here.
Okay.
Yeah, I
please.
deeply apologize.
Oh yeah, way up there,
Oh
eh?
my god.
I
Oh,
apologize.
look over there, over the edge.
I'm sorry for what I'm about to say, but this looks like a scene in a movie where a clown is about to jump out. Onto the car.
Somebody's gonna fucking roll down
I'm waiting for like a Pennywise to jump out.
the. Okay, we could have seen the Hollywood sign from somewhere else.